Welcome to Lab 2 of BUSI 100 MIS class. This lab builds upon Lab 1, so as a little refresher, let's review what we were trying to do in Lab 1. And in that particular lab, what we did is we had a customer or a user accessing or running an HTML page. And the typical way this would work is that you would have the HTML sent across the internet to a web server, and the web server would respond or run a particular script. Now, in what we did last time, we took the output from the web server is we then communicated to another web server where we had our weather mashup. That was the popfly stuff. So that was a little different than what we're going to do today, because today what we're going to do is access a database, which is in this case is going to be Microsoft Access, and we're going to send a query over to the database, and the database will return with some data. The data will then be packaged in HTML and sent back to the web page. It actually turns out to be relatively easy to make all the database connections, and we'll go through that in the next segment. But first, I want to make sure that everyone has the right version of the Rolling Thunder database. So let's take a look over here on the internet, and we want to go to jerrypost.com. Once you're at jerrypost.com, you're going to click on Rolling Thunder, and it's rtintro.html, but the links are there. Once you have gone to the jerrypost.com site, you'll see a bunch of different versions of Rolling Thunder. The one that we want to have and use is the Office 2003/XP version. It's 24 megabytes zipped up, so it'll take a little while to download. Once you've downloaded that and saved it to your hard drive, you'll want to double click on it and then extract that particular file, the MDB file, and save that to the same folder that we created Lab 1 in. So we'll stop here at first segment, and then pick up the details of the Lab 2 in the next segment.